Hey, this is Toe2 Bravo, and we're out at the range again today. And we brought the CZ P10 and the Glock 19 Gen 5. And what we're going to do today is we're going to shoot both of these for accuracy and kind of make a further assessment at the end of this range session. Obviously, means to an end is to sort out which one I'm going to carry based off of results over the other. So today we'll be shooting 10 yards at center mass and head for accuracy, and then at the conclusion of the range visit we will do a 10-10-10 exercise. 10 yards, 10 rounds, 10 seconds in the 10 ring. To pass, it would have to be a 90 or better. So that'll be in conclusion, or that'll be at the end of the video. We'll do that, and then we'll shoot some steel at 25 meters. So enough talking. Let's see which one of these bad boys is more accurate, which in my hands, and working towards which one I'm going to prefer to carry. So this is Toe2 Bravo. Hang tight. First series, CZ P10, 10 yards for accuracy. Here we go. 10 yards for accuracy. All rounds complete. All right, series number 2, CZ, headshots for accuracy. Here we go. All rounds complete. Not bad. Let's go see how we did. All right, first series Glock, 10 meters, center mass, accuracy. All rounds complete. Looks very good. Second series, Glock, headshots for accuracy. Here we go. All rounds complete. All right, CZ, rapid fire, center mass, 10 yards. Here we go. rounds complete. All right, this series is Glock Center Mass Rapid Fire. All rounds complete. All right, CZ 10, 10, and 10 drill. We're in frame. Here we go. All right, all 10 rounds, 8 seconds, 8.35, 8.35. All right, Glock 10, 10, and 10 drill. Here we go. All rounds complete. 8.55. Let's go see what we... CZ with Hornady critical defense ammunition. 5 rounds, 20 meters steel. No problems. Glock 20 meters, Hornady critical defense. No problem. CZ 10 yards, steel, final shoot for accuracy. Here we go. Rounds steel for accuracy. Looks pretty good. All right, let's see what the Glock can do. Not bad. Let's see what we got. Alright, this is Toe 2 Bravo and we're wrapping it up at the range today. We had a great range visit today. Had a really good time shooting Glock 19 and the CZ P10. Total round count for the Glock as it stands right now, I'm going to look at my cheat sheet, is with the 2 range visits 280 rounds. With the CZ, looking at my cheat sheet, it is 238 rounds. So nothing monumental, but still, I've collected some pretty good data. I shot today at 10 yards, 20 yards, and did some different type of drills for accuracy. And just at this point in time, with the 2 range visits and that amount of ammunition put through both of these guns, the gun that I am favoring at this point in time is the Glock 19 Gen 5. And my reasons for that are the ability to put this weapon back onto target after the shot is fluid. The sights, I love them. They're dead on. As long as I do my part, I'm going to hit where I put my sights. It's a very accurate gun. The recoil is, you don't even notice it. I don't notice the recoil at all on this. It's not even a factor for me with this Glock. The grip The ergonomics are perfect for me. I said that in my first video, my first impressions. This gun fits perfect. Fits my hand absolutely perfect. The trigger is more than adequate, and so far I'm leaning towards the Glock. Absolutely 100% reliable. No issues, no hang-ups. We've shot some of the Wolf ammunition, which is the steel-cased, really cheap stuff. We ran, pardon me for a moment, we ran this today, the Remington, and some critical defense, some Hornady critical defense. So everything's run great in both pistols, but I'm leaning towards the Glock as the pistol that I'm preferring at this point in time. I feel it's easier to shoot, it's more comfortable to shoot, and I believe it's more accurate. Now, the CZ did fantastic too. 100% reliable. I had one shot where the trigger was so sensitive that when I came back to engage the target, I shot before I had my aim squared, if that makes sense. But that was only one time, and I might have been in too much of a hurry. The trigger is better than what the Glock has, but they're both fine for me. I can't say that either one is going to benefit me more at this point in time. The Glock ergonomics are better for my hand. You may experience something totally different, but for me at this point in time, the way that the Glock fits my hand makes it easier for me to put the pistol on target and shoot. Now, these things are all subject to change, but at this point in time, I feel that the Glock is a better gun for me right now. Both are very accurate. Both are very easy to shoot. I can feel the recoil pulse on this a little more now that I'm comparing it and shooting it up against the Glock. There is a little more of a recoil pulse that you have to deal with, and then put the pistol back on target in order to do the follow-up shot. But that's for right now. I mean, we're only 200 and some rounds out of each pistol. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more to come. This is Toe 2 Bravo. Thanks for watching.